boy. Fulton County. Exactly what we've been calling it. Corrupt. A complete mess. Another, just a big sham of a county. Fulton County, y'all. I know a lot of y'all are not surprised with what you're going to see today in today's video. It's finna get real spicy. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Shout out to all my beautiful patriots, brothers and sisters around the world, man. I hope everybody is blessed, well, and healthy. But free Brian still. Free still, man. Free Brian in the comments. Free still. What a real one. What a player. What a gangster in my books. This is ridiculous, you guys. As a judge, you can't meet with a sworn witness with DA and exclude the lawyers of the accused. This is a mistrial. The way the judge has handled this is so concerning, and nobody's never seen anything like this. It's ghetto. It's a mess. It's corrupt, y'all. Just being completely honest. You know, and we're gonna play the clip. We're gonna roll the clip, y'all. We're gonna roll the clip. And they said they're gonna give him 10 weekend. If the appeal doesn't go through, 10 weekends. So that's 20 days. And he asked if he could spend it also with the rapper Young Thug. But again, salute to Brian Steele, man. This is who you want as your lawyer. Reminds me of a true patriot. I ain't gonna lie to you. But this is Fulton County is a complete it's disgusting, y'all. It really is disgusting. But from what it looks like, Young Thug will be walking free. So we're gonna jump straight into these clips. Again, make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And I know a lot of y'all are not surprised. It's Fulton County. It is Fulton County. Boy. Let's jump straight in, y'all.
To me, that never...
Mr. Steele, can I interrupt you just a second? I'm kind of disturbed because that's ex parte. All that was an ex parte conversation. How did you find out about any of that?
Well, I'm disturbed too. And the reason
I'm asking you a question. How did you find out about it?
I'm going to answer you the question.
Okay.
Scuttle, if you look at SCUDDER versus State, which is 298 Georgia, 438, it's Division 2, 782 Southeast 2D 638, 2016. Our highest court says when a court meets, because Mr. Copeland comes in, meets with the court supposedly made statements, which I assume is somewhat accurate based upon what you just said. We're entitled, Mr. Williams and every other person wrongly charged here is entitled under the Georgia Constitution to be present. That's a critical stage.
It's just like when you meet with me and you and Mr. Adams meet with me and others have met with me. It's those were ex parte for a lot of different other reasons, but I will certainly note that for purposes of record.
Caught you, buddy. Caught you. We know now what it is. Corruption. Corrupt Fulton County. Get rid of the whole county. Throw the whole county away.
Well, I'm going forward. What I was told was that Mr. Copeland said...
And you haven't answered my question yet.
I'm not going to answer that question.
You're not?
No, I will not answer that question.
Why will you not answer that question?
Because I want to make sure that what I say is accurate, and I'm not trying to get anybody else.
I'm asking you, how did you get this information?
I'm not telling the court. What I'm saying is based upon information.
Okay, well, listen, if you don't tell me how you got this information, then you and I are going to have some problems.
We can have this. I have problems right now.
Okay, I know. Look, I don't want to know about your problems, okay, at this point in time. All I'm asking you at this point in time is, how did you come upon this information? Look.
Now, this is a judge, y'all. A judge. Oh, boy, I tell you. Fulton County, man. Just throw it all away. He's walking free. We caught you, buddy. How about you turn around, put your hands behind your back?
If the case gets reviewed, the record's going to be available for our appellate court and for whatever reason. But it's disturbing that how somehow you have surreptitiously gotten information in regards to the court's private ex parte conversations with a party. I mean,
a witness who was sworn in Friday, the court's telling, this is what I was told. If this is not true, Not true. This court
Mr. Steele,
handed
ask
Mr.
me.
Copeland.
Tell me how you
perjury.
got. Tell me how you got the information.
Listen. Whatever you want to do.
Tell me how you got the information. Then we can go ahead and go forward.
I'm not going to say that. What I'm going to say is this. I was told, and I hope this concerns the court.
It concerns me that you have proprietary information.
Why is it
or
proprietary?
Information that you should not be having that was ex parte.
Why?
With a party.
Why?
State of Georgia.
How about the witness?
You'll have a choice to make. All right. Take Mr. Steele into custody, please.
This is ridiculous. There you go, right there. Mistrial. There you go. Complete sham. Free Steele, man. Free Brian Steele.
Your Honor, would the court afford me one moment to confer with counsel regarding the appropriate remedy in this type of
Okay. All right.
There's a bunch of true patriots around the world willing to go to jail to expose the corruption. Salute to you, Brian Steele. Salute to you, brother.
Mr. Williams does not wish to go forward without me being here. You are removing me against his will, my will. You're taking away his right to counsel. And you're conducting material parts of this trial without me present, and I can't learn about it by watching online. So for that reason, additionally, I asked for a mistrial. And I assume you deny, but I'd like you to deny our motions for mistrial. You denied the other people.
I've denied your motion, but I'll certainly take that under advisement, sir.
Throw the whole case, throw the whole trial away. Mistrial. Throw the whole case away. Unbelievable. That is ridiculous.
We're going to be in recess for the next 5 minutes.
Now, I got to see what my brother Nez said, man. Shout out to Professor Nez, man. Y'all know he loves us. We love him. So make sure y'all go show him. So I'll leave his link in the description box down below as well. But I know he going to have a few words to say, and he going to keep it real as well. So I got to check it out, you guys.
We're going to be in recess for the next 5 minutes.
Hey y'all, I'm traveling right now, so I apologize. I know the quality of the video and the quality of the audio is not great, so I'm not in my home studio. I hope you will forgive me, but this is, I mean, you know, the news never stops, and Cash Money G's Fulton County is an absolute mess, and I can't help but think it's got something to do with her. It just does, you know. Wherever I've worked, I've been around this planet for a very, very long time. And I've worked pretty much every job. I mean, from corporate to public sector, private sector. Whenever there was a corruptive or corrosive entity or force anywhere in the building, it seemed to, and nobody really nipped that in the bud, it seemed to kind of seep into every artery of the organization. And I just can't help but think this is the same situation. What you just saw right there was attorney Brian Steele, who's been doing this for over 30 years. He's got a very reputable, track record, career, and credibility as an attorney. And
now, when you got money, celebrities, rappers, you name it, you know, they go to these lawyers like Brian Steele. Because he going to get you out the hole. He going to get you out the hole. Yeah. You could have done something wrong or done nothing wrong, but he going to get you out the hole. It's like paying that tax agent that gets you money back on after filing your taxes. Or get you make you pay a lower payment. Yeah. And they be on there rigging it up, lying, you know, submitting your receipts. Yeah. Free Steele, man. Free Steele. Free that brother there, man. You know. And we caught you, Fulton County. Judge, we caught you. Thought you could sneak on by, you know. Ask Fani Willis. Same thing. sneaking on by, lying, affairs, Grey Goose, apple pie. I tell you, man, it's ridiculous.
And this young thug trial that's been happening in Atlanta, we have to talk about this because it's Cash Money G News. So the judge presiding over Young Thug, we did a video on this too, the racketeering trial, held the musician's attorney in contempt on Monday after being confronted. I'm going to play you this video too. Stick around. It's insane. Heated exchange. Wait till you see this. Private conversation held between the judge, prosecutors, and a state witness. Brian Steele was escorted out of the courtroom after refusing to tell Judge Ural Glanville, who has really, I got to be honest.
Be honest.
In all my years of witnessing anything of this nature, I've never seen a judge act seemingly so unethical, unprofessional. It almost seems like we've kind of been these words, these adjectives have just become run of the mill. Anything related to Fulton County.
Yeah, same thing we've been saying, y'all. We've never seen nothing like this. And the times that we're living in, y'all, it's ridiculous, man. You know, same with what we're seeing with our president. You know, everything that's going on, all this corruption. You know, we're living in some dark times, y'all. Dark times.
You know, the way that he's been conducting this court, the way that he's been handling this case has been so, to me, absolute amateur hour over and over and over again. So after he was escorted, basically he was refusing Judge Glanville on how he learned of this meeting. I want to play that video in just a second. But this is just insanity. I can't believe that this is what's been happening. You know, this young thug who's a musician, prominent musician, this young thug trial that's been happening, you know, it's been even more of an absolute train wreck than the Fani Willis disqualification hearing.
Yep.
And her attempts to charge former president and 18 other co-defendants with election interference, when exactly that's what they've been doing.
That's what they've been
That's
doing.
what they've been initiating it. So he was held in contempt. He was escorted out. Now I'm going to play for you the video.
So we already showed y'all the video. So I want to see his what he has to say at the end. And again, y'all make sure y'all go check out my brother, man. He does an amazing job. And I love how he uses almost every term that we can use that is allowed on YouTube. So that's one thing I love about him. Again, he's a professor. You know what I'm saying? But again, we've been calling this out for quite a long time, y'all. You know, it's disgusting, man. And we still can't find that mattress Fani G was. Where is that mattress at? Sitting in the hood in Atlanta off I-75. That mattress is somewhere, y'all. We got to find it, Patriots. We got to find that mattress.
No.
Wow. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what happens to a court when you let a cancer grow. And that cancer, that tumor, is the district attorney. The district attorney. I apologize for the interruption. I'm mobile here, so I'm not in my studio. So this is raw. I'm just literally reacting. You're getting right now an unedited raw version. That is what happens when you allow a cancer, which is the district attorney. Remember what the Pitbull Steve Sadow says, supposed to be held to the highest standard, highest level of impropriety. This is impropriety with the capital I. This is Fulton County. This is the same district that wants to charge a former president of the United States with election interference. This is the same district that has District Attorney Fani Willis, who just got reelected in the primary, who has lied under oath, stolen from youth, misappropriated taxpayer funds, And when the whistleblower came out, fired her and had her escorted, who we had on the show, by the way, escorted by 7 security guards. This poor woman who probably weighs less than 110 pounds, escorted by 7 security guards. Forfeiture funds, misappropriation of forfeiture
Let's
funds.
go down the
taking
list.
Vacations
Go down
with
the
her
list.
lover, having an affair with a married man who she assigned as a special prosecutor to pay him an exorbitant amount of money, who was unqualified. First time in 20 years that entire district ever hired a special prosecutor. Just so
Drinking Grey Goose and eating organic apple pie.
happened to be her ex-lover, Nathan American Pie Wade, and then lied under oath, committed felony perjury, lied under oath about when that relationship began. And the list goes on and on and on. This is what happens when didn't earn it, DEI.
DEI, didn't earn it. We got to make sure y'all get it in an emphasis way. We got to make sure we put an emphasis on it. Didn't earn it.
Takes over any entity, any organization, especially something that is supposed to be sanctity. The sanctity, one of the most hallowed areas of our republic, the judicial system. I would love to hear from you.
But yeah, man, this is, yeah, Fulton County. Fulton County. Oh boy. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Comment down below what y'all think about all this whole. I know I can already see the comments now, man. Everybody's sick and fed up with all this corruption. Fulton County. I mean, everybody's just sick and tired, man, of being sick and tired. You know. And these are the people coming after our former president. What they've done. I mean, it's ridiculous, man. Just a bunch of lying, stealing. You know, people need to be held accountable, man. Put your hands behind your back. People that don't deserve any kind of power to sit in any kind of chair. It's ridiculous, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think of this. Comment down below. I'm wishing the best on all you guys' life. We're going to keep dropping amazing updates, letting you guys know what's going on, man. And we're going to call all this corruption out, whether you like it or not. So, God bless you all and your families. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace and love, y'all.